there everyone, how are you all doing? I'm Leon and welcome to another video. I produce content every day focused around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with notifications on. So today I'm going to be showing you how to download Movavi Video Editor Plus on Windows. So without any further hesitation, let's begin. Alright everybody, so this is the official Movavi Video Editor Plus download page, and as you can see you got two versions, so Windows and Mac. So let's just click download for free on Windows. And as you can see it's now downloading, so just wait for it to download. And as you can see it's now downloaded, so just click on the arrow and click open. Alright, so as you can see Movavi Video Editor Plus has been installed, so just click I accept the terms and da-da-da. Click install. Oh, actually you gotta read through the terms. So hold on. Install, and essentially it's just going to install. Alright, so Movavi Video Editor Plus has been installed, so just click start. Alright everybody, so it seems that I unfortunately can't load Movavi Video Editor Plus up because my computer is not supported, or the graphics drive is not, supported. So yeah, and that's essentially it. Alright everybody, so that's it for how to download Movavi Video Editor Plus. If this video is of value to you, then be sure to subscribe with notifications on for more content. Give the video a thumbs up and share it to help me rank in search results and help the channel grow. And leave your questions or feedback down below, or leave me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Take care everybody.